Welcome to Samuthra Logic Block 15, Common Potential. Today we are going to solve one of the most common capacitor questions in CBSE IIT JEE using logic instead of memorizing formulas. A 2 microfarad capacitor is charged to 100 volt. It is disconnected from the battery and connected to an uncharged 3 microfarad capacitor. What is the common potential? 100 volt, 40 volt, 50 volt, or 20 volt? What is your answer? Most students think the first capacitor still has 100 volts. So the final voltage must also be 100 volts. But that's not how capacitor behave. But Samuthra student thinks, what is conserved in this question? Charge or potential? Think before formula. Imagine two water tanks connected by a pipe. One tank is full and the other is empty. Once the valve opens, water flows until both tanks reach the same level. The water represents electric charge and the water level represents electric potential. Just as water levels become equal, the connected capacitors reach a common potential. So to find initial charge on 2 microfarad capacitor, Q equals CV. So C is 2 microfarad and V is 100 volt. So the charge is 200 microcoulomb. And after disconnecting the battery, total charge is conserved. Therefore, the Q total is 200 microcoulomb. And also capacitor is connected in parallel. Then the equivalent capacitance is given by 5 microfarad. Then the common potential equals Q total by C total. Then the final answer is 40 volt. So the final answer is option B, 40 volt. Whenever capacitors are connected after disconnecting the battery, remember this rule. Total charge remains constant and the final common potential is simply the total charge divided by the total capacitance. Don't memorize physics. Understand the logic behind physics. Every Samuthra logic block removes one misconception.